ingay ng mga ibon.
Mama. Mama.
Ayan guys. Maingay. Ayan. Ayan. Ayan, marami sila guys. Yay! There's a lot. Ayan. Ayan ang mga ibon. Ang iingay nila. Marami yan guys. Marami dyan. Ayan. Pag malamig na, yan, naglalabasan sila. Ayan nila, no? Ang ingay nila.
Fernando wants to be on YouTube. No! I know how! I have loads of videos! Show me! No! No!
Ayan guys, naririnig nyo, puro anhuli ng ibon.
I can't hear what you're saying. Only if it gets demonetized. What? Demonetized? Or like copyrighted. Copyright. Like copyrighted.
Mga ibon.
I don't really know. I never get copyrighted.
Ayan.
There's no copyrights.
Ayan guys,
Only
ibon
one
no.
person in my family doesn't have one.
Yeah.
I feel like he's having.
Yana, mayroon.
Yeah, Yana has one, but she really doesn't. No, she doesn't. Only when she's happy.
Ayan, maganda. Ayan, maganda ang araw.
8! 8!
8 subscribers?
No. You want 8 subscribers? No. The last part of my YouTube channel name is the 8.
Yan, nagkalat na naman dito ang ibon. Yan, di ba? Ayan, hatid ko lang sila sa school. Si Hana tulog pa.
Wait, me and my mom have been went to the Philippines. Then my dad went as a family. I'm like 1 year ago. That was last year? Yeah. You couldn't travel anywhere. You couldn't travel anywhere. I'm pretty sure it was 2019 that okay, you were allowed to travel. Remember, that's when COVID-19 started. Oh, it just really. No, when the borders were open, we got to go.
And
I'm on YouTube.
YouTube kids.
No, put him on YouTube. Huh? Put him on YouTube. No. I don't want to be the only one on YouTube.
Ayan. So, hatid lang. Tapos pagkahatid, uwi
Put him
agad.
on YouTube. Search up my YouTube channel. Nuh-uh, I'm not doing that. I forgot what it's called. No. You only...
Ayan, nahatid ko na yung ate. Wow, ganda ng langit, oh. Maganda, paligid. Pero ang lamig. Ayan. Ganda. Malimig. Uwian na tayo. Uwian na. lang. So yun guys, uwian na. Please don't forget like, comment, and subscribe. Ayan, bahay na ako. Bahay na ako guys. Ayan. Diba? Ayan guys, thank you for watching. Ayan.